Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC. Got a little KB action here. KB, the stroller. Let's hit them specs on this one. Oh, overall 7.68 inches, 3.35 on the blade length, handle 4.33 of that titanium and carbon fiber. That blade's coming to us in CPM 20 CV with an HRC of 60-62 with a nice flat ground dark wash clip point. Killer Kobe action. You can hit it off the fuller. Front flipper's pretty nice on it also. And rear flipper. And it's a nice rear flipper, it disappears. 4 fingers rest on it pretty solid. You can choke up with no issue whatsoever. You kind of hit that ramp there, that drop down, that clip point there a little bit weird in the choke up, or I do. Kobe hardware, no more than necessary. Nice clip, single-sided. Jimping all the way around, giving you some solid grip options on this. Into that big full-length back spacer. Almost gives it that integral look. Drop action. The fuller, you kind of got to really get on it. But the flippers hit it great. Little maker's mark back there, blade still marking. Look at that little pivot trim. Clean on the front. No blade play. Good solid lockup. And dead nut center. And there ain't much room on either way for this because she's nice and slim. Pretty smooth in and out of the pocket. That clip is definitely interesting. I dig it. It's probably my favorite thing on the knife. But it is a pricey Kobe. Damn near $300 on their site. So, you know, you can play the old knife game tricks and find it at a different site using codes and get it knocked down. But it is the premium side of QB. What do y'all think? Hit or miss? Superstar or it's nice but not gonna get added? Y'all drop that comment, let me know what you think. Hit that thumbs up button. Stay sharp, stay safe.